Hi all, my name's Luke, General Manager on the Move Caravans. I'm here with Sean, owner of Dennis Brothers Welding and our welding extraordinaire. He's built this brand new chassis for our Vortex range of caravans. He's going to walk through some of the features with us. Sean, what's so special about this chassis?
This one's been Raptor coated, so it's very tough and durable protection on it. We've got Teco Stage 4 airbags on there. It's really good suspension, so top of quality. For the water tanks, we've got two 95 litre water tanks, one 50 litre grey water tank and one 50 litre fresh water tank in there. We've got 17-inch wheels on it, so very big, sits very nice and high.
So Sean, I noticed that we've got a wheel carrier on the front there. What's the story behind that one?
We've got the front bar with two 17-inch tyres, Raptor coated, so it's very durable. Engineering's helped with the weight distribution at the front bar here, and it's going to be in front of the big toolbox.
So I've noticed a bold new look down the side of your chassis.
New laser cut decal for the Vortex. This is specially designed just for the Vortex range. Yeah, we're very excited, looks very nice with the white backing.
So can customer choose the colour of the laser cut?
Yeah, it can be in a wide range of colours.
Fantastic. So at the front, Sean, you want to walk us through what we have here?
We've got a DO45 for 4.5 tonne towing capabilities. This one is rated to 4 tonne towing.
So the van won't actually come in at 4 tonne, it's just you've engineered the chassis to withstand that.
Yes, we prefer to over-engineer them so they last a lifetime and there's no dramas at all. We take a lot of pride in it, so we make sure they're good chassis.
So Sean, I've noticed we've added some new exciting features at the back of our chassis as well.
We've got some hitch recovery points at the back, so you can pull out of anywhere, won't get stuck.
Some laser cutting on the new 4-post bumper bar?
Yep, in the future we want to put a wood box into the back of it as well, so more things to come.
Well, thank you for walking us through your new exciting chassis, mate. Looking very forward to putting a caravan on it.
No worries, thanks for having me.
Cheers.